says that write it down and make it known. If such significant moments are not recorded, it is very difficult for the global world to understand why we are standing together as children of Africa. We are here to define ourselves. We are here to re-establish our position, our rightful position. And we come together as children of the continent. Because we believe that children in Africa and those in the diaspora, we are all one. So we've got representatives from the global Africa, if I may put it that way. We've got children of Africa, the historic diaspora, those who left the motherland 400-500 years ago, but they are coming back home because Africa is calling her children home. Wow. And then of course we've got children who are in the continent and those who are receiving those who are coming from the diaspora. So Africa is rising and we are standing and we are saying we are one people. We've got representation from the Americas, we've got our brothers and sisters from the Caribbeans, we've got Europe here, but equally important, we've got Africa itself here. And we are honored to have our royal fathers and mothers here who are saying, come back. And when you come, you're not just coming as tourists, you are coming as children of this land. Africa is the motherland, and we are just pleased to be back home. And above all, in the Pearl itself, the very Pearl of Africa. So we are grateful to the leadership of this great nation for the warm reception that they have granted us. And we are believing that even as these celebrations unfold, there is going to be a shift. There is going to be a shift. And things can only get better for the great nation that we are. Thank you very much.
Thank you.